And the race is on. Jaden Diamond, Senior G. Karma, Bay Area Babe, moving up by the exotic flavor. Sobrang class. Jaden Diamond, Karma, Bay Area Babe, sobrang class in between runners running down on the inside. Exotic flavor. Senior G racing in 6th position. It's now Jaden Diamond followed by Exotic Flavor. Sobrang class Karma, Bay Area Babe, Senior G. Done this round is racing on the outside. And rounding the far turn, Jaden Diamond, Exotic Flavor, sobrang class. Racing on the outside, Karma is racing in port. And this round racing on the outside as they race the last 500. Jaden Diamond, Exotic Flavor by the route, sobrang class on the outside. And this round on the further outside as they race the final corner. It's now sobrang class, Exotic Flavor done on the inside. And on the outside is Andy's Ram. Sobrang class, Andy's Ram is on the outside. Sobrang class, Andy's Ram and Exotic Flavor. But still sobrang class. And finally, sobrang class, Andy's Ram, Exotic Flavor. Jaden Diamond, Senior G. Pentapecta.